This is Bashkir language for English speakers, lesson number 11, and we'll speak about colors. Color is tooth in Bashkir language. So, repeat after me. Tooth, color, tooth, toothter, colors, toothter. Kızıl, red, kızıl, kızıl siyah, red cherry, kızıl siyah, kızıl sarı, orange, kızıl sarı, kızıl sarı kişir, orange carrot, kızıl sarı kişir, sarı, yellow, sarı, sarı boros, yellow pepper, sarı boros, sarı boroslar, yellow peppers, sarı boroslar, yeşil, green, yeşil, yeşil alma, green apple, yeşil alma, yeşil almalar, green apples, yeşil almalar, zenger, blue, azure, zenger, zenger dingez, blue sea, zenger dingez, cook, dark blue, cook seske, dark blue flower, cook seskeler, dark blue flowers, cook seskeler, şemehe, purple, şemehe kuldek, purple dress, şemehe kuldek, ak, white, ak hüt, white milk, ak hüt, kara, black, kara at, black horse, kara at, kören, brown, kören et, brown dog, kören etler, brown dogs, kören etler, horo, grey, horo bure, grey wolf, horo bure, horo bureler, grey wolves, horo bureler, aho, pink, aho besey, pink cat, aho besey there, pink cats, aho besey there. And now let's repeat colors. Kızıl, red, kızıl sarı, orange, kızıl sarı, yellow, sarı, yeşil, green, yeşil, zenger, blue, azure, zenger, cook, dark blue, cook, şemehe, purple, şemehe, ak, white, ak, kara, black, kara, kören, brown, kören, horo, grey, horo, aho, pink, aho. Let's repeat colors in Bashkir language one more time. Kızıl, red, kızıl sarı, orange, kızıl sarı, yellow, sarı, yeşil, green, yeşil, zenger, blue, zenger, cook, dark blue, cook, şemehe, purple, şemehe, ak, white, ak, kara, black, kara, kören, brown, kören, horo, grey, horo, aho, pink, aho.